I've been feeling so down.
Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to be doing my full curly hair wash routine using these new products that I actually never tried. This is Pai-Shau, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, Mousse, and this is Pai-Shau medium control styling cream. So I have not styled my hair with Mousse in forever. I think the last time I used Mousse I was probably like, I don't even know, maybe 14. I'm not even exactly sure, but I've never styled my hair fully with Mousse, so this is going to be very interesting. Although I'm going to do my normal curly hair routine as if I were doing it with regular curl creams. So again, I'm going to be using the Pai-Shau style cream and the Pai-Shau Mousse. Once we get to the end result, I'll be able to have a better opinion, but for now we're just going to do this together, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off making sure that our hair is nice and damp. I'm going to be using the Be Hairful brush to detangle my hair. Here I'll be using a scrunchie as I part my hair. Parting my hair this way helps each curl get the moisture and attention it deserves. Today's wash day routine, I will be using the Pai-Shau products. I am starting with the medium control styling cream. I usually put a little more than a dime-sized amount per section. Here I am scrunching my hair to get the best volume and definition. I'm going to repeat the same process, so sectioning the hair, adding the product, and scrunching. Adding product section by section ensures all your curls are getting love. It helps avoid dry spots and frizzies in the back. I've styled my hair using many different techniques, but I find that this particular technique helps with moisture and it really helps give me the best definition. This Evolve brush is my absolute favorite for styling. It works like the denim brush and does an excellent job in distributing the product evenly. Sometimes instead of adding more product, I like to spritz a little bit of water and use the brush, and it really does the job. Here I'm finger coiling my bangs. I like to finger coil my bangs particularly just to make sure I get really spirally curls. Here I'm going in with the Pai-Shau Abundance Mousse. The texture is super weightless, but I can tell it's going to provide hold. Pai-Shau products are vegan and cruelty-free, as well as paraben-free and sulfate-free. So I just styled my hair with the mousse as well as the styling cream, and I must say that I do like the way it's sitting in my hair, if that makes sense. I feel like it has hold, but I can tell that it's gonna be fluffy. I don't know, I don't want to predict the wrong thing, but it's giving me the impression that it's not, it doesn't feel like super heavy. It feels like a very light product, but it feels like it's doing its job. So I guess we'll have to wait and see until my hair fully dries. So as far as drying, I don't go right into diffusing. Diffusing usually is my go-to simply because it saves me so much time. If I wait for my hair to air dry, I'll be waiting 3 to 5 business days because it takes forever, especially if you're not being active. If you're just at home, for some reason, if you're just at home watching a movie, I feel like your hair doesn't dry the same. But if you're running around and you're, you know, out driving or whatever the case may be, your hair dries. But if I'm just at home watching Netflix, for some reason my hair dries differently. I mean, it could be in my head or it could be that I'm just sitting in one spot. The thing is, when I go through the drying process, I typically wait 30 to an hour. Once the product sets into my hair and it's not this wet, then I'll go in with the diffuser to dry it up. So because this video was focused on my curly hair routine, the way that I apply the products to my hair and so forth, I'm just going to come back when my hair is fully dry. All right, so I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, I'm back and I am so happy. I did not expect the mousse to do me so much justice like this. I mean, I didn't even finger coil my hair and my curls are super defined. I'm loving the results. The products were lightweight with decent hold. It definitely gave me more volume from the root. I did get some product buildup, but I normally have to use less to avoid dry scalp and product buildup. Overall, I'm in love with the volume. Usually I have to wait for about 2 days to achieve big curls, but this was awesome. Very happy with the result. I would totally recommend getting Pai-Shau, vegan friendly, sulfate free, and paraben free. Well, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.